So I've run the water clear for a couple of rinses. So I let her kind of soak in here and just get all the extra soap off. What's really nice about these products is they rinse out super easily. So they're especially made for synthetic hair. And as I just kind of dip her in here to make sure that the water's clear, and it is, so we're going to just pull her up by the top here and squeeze out the water gently. You don't need to do anything drastic. So I'm just gonna kind of gently squeeze the hair and the water out. And what I like to do with Zara is I'll put her in a towel like this and just kind of pat the water out. Like that, so we get some of the water, excess water out. And then I use some of the leave-in conditioner just on the ends. You can see how she looks. A little stringy, right? But she won't stay that way. And then I like to comb through the hair a little bit very gently over the sink. So we're doing this. And then I found this nifty hanger on Amazon, and I'm going to show you how I do this. So with Zara, she has a flat front, meaning the lace lays right at the scalp right here. So on Zara, I don't wear her up like this. I keep her down more like this. So with that, you can kind of see these, what I'd call baby hairs in the front. I'm going to pull those out. Gently, really gently. Nothing crazy again. And then this is a nifty little hanger that I found on Amazon. And I'm going to gently put her over the top of this. Just like this. So it doesn't twist the lace. I don't want the lace to dry anything, funky or anything. I want it to be nice and flat. So you can see it's just right here. And then I'm going to hang her in my shower just like this. And she'll just take a couple hours to dry. But that's all it takes. So you can stay ready and be ready for when you want to wear Zara. Hope that's helpful.